Hello and welcome to Biblical Theology. Today, the books we include are Exodus, Deuteronomy, Joshua and Judges. God is represented as guaranteeing that the Israelites would drive out the Amorites, Canaanites, Hittites, Perizzites, Hivites and Jebusites from their land, which the Jews wanted to appropriate. Exodus 34:10-11. The same applies to the Girgashites in Deuteronomy 7 verses 1-2. In Exodus 34:10-27, this is referred to as a covenant, commandments being given. In Judges, the Israelites are described as disobeying the commandment to worship no other God, which is found in Judges 3 verse 6, and as a result, not being able to drive out the Jebusites, Joshua 15 verse 63. The Israelites did not drive all of the Canaanite tribes out in the lifetime of Joshua. The book of Joshua and Judges, chapter 1, mentions towns that could not be defeated. According to 2 Samuel, the Israelites occupied Canaan, but the complete seizure took place only when David defeated the Jebusites in Jerusalem and made it the capital of his empire. And that's found in Samuel 2, chapter 5, verse 6-7.